Welcome to Kasim Computer Education channel. Before watching this video, share this video to your friends and students to get the knowledge regarding C language. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you want to get notifications while uploading videos, you should subscribe our channel. So today our topic is overview of control statements in C language. Any language control statements are having the maximum similar structure. So once you learn the control statements in C language, easily you can understand the control statements in other languages also, like Java or SQL, PLSQL, C++, any other programming language. So let us see what are the control statements are available in C language. So why these statements are control statements means, so these are controlling the flow and execution of the statements. So generally in C language statements are executed linearly, sequentially, but these statements are controlling the which statements are executing or which statements are not executing, and which statements are executed more number of times, when the program controller will exit from that appropriate block. So this is decided by using these statements. So that's why these statements are called as a control statements. These are classified as a three types: selection control statements and looping control statements. So here the third one is there sequence. So it is means the statements are executed sequentially. So first we will discuss about the selection control statements. So selection control statements selects the any one of the block to execute the statements. Any one of the block of statements to execute based on the condition. So these are classified as two types: conditional decision making branching statements, unconditional decision making branching statements. So in conditional decision making branching statement, decision takes place based on the condition to decide to execute appropriate block. So for examples, if and if else statement, switch statement. So if else is a basically two-way decision making branching statement, means basically its basic form is having the two blocks, true block and false block. So it executes any one of the block. So either it may be a true block or false block based on the condition. So if the condition is true, it executes the true block. If the condition is fail, it executes the false block statements. So switch statement having the multiple blocks. So based on the passed expression value, the appropriate block, case block will be executed. So if the passed expression value does not matches any one of the case value, by default it will execute the default block statements. So next one is in selection statement is unconditional decision making statement and branching statements. So in unconditional decision making branching statement, program controller will jump from one part of a program to another part of a program without any condition. So that is a go to statement. Example is a go to statement. Okay, next statements are looping or iterative statements. Looping or iterative means executing a group of statements repeatedly more number of times. Those statements are those structures are called as a looping or iterative statements. So these statements, looping or iterative statements, executes the block of code more number of times based on the condition. So if the condition is failed, automatically the program controller will terminate it from the loop. So here three statements are used for repeating block of code. First one is do while. It is an exit controlled looping statement. While statement is an entry controlled looping statement. For loop is the also entry controlled looping statement. So here I am uploading the video regarding each and individual control statements regularly. So once again I am repeating, Control statements are nothing but it controls the flow and execution of the statements. So these are classified as a three types: selection control statement, sequence control statement, looping control statements. So selection control statements used to jump the program controller one part of a program to another part of a program. So these are classified as a two types: conditional decision making branching statement. So a conditional decision making branching statements based on the condition, program controller jump from one part of a program to another part of a program. Examples are if else and switch statement. Next one is unconditional decision making branching statement. So here the programmer will takes place to jump from one part of a program to another part of a program without any condition. Example is go to statement. So next one, sequence statement means these statements are executed sequentially, linearly, continuously. So next one, looping or iterative statements means so here the program controller will execute the block of statements repeatedly more number of times based on a condition. So if the condition is failed, automatically program controller will exit from the body of the loop. So here three statements are used within C language: do while statement, while statement, and for loop statement. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Share this video to your students and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.